Hello guys, me, HaloCraft838 here. We're doing prank calling with my friend HaloCraft. Wait, why the heck is there a hand? Oh, sorry. Prank calling, here it goes.
Here you go. Let's go. On speaker. Like it, don't laugh. Try to breathe.
Hello? This is Nick Schliebly. I would like 55 cheeseburgers with... Do you have hot dogs? I want hot dogs. Give me hot dogs now, woman.
Yeah, okay, call back. Come on. Say, just talk in a different language. Just start. Okay.
Let me see the video.
No, I'm still recording. Call back.
No, you call now.
No, you call back. I'm with you. Say, okay, hello. Just act normal.
Dude, should I call pizza?
No, call back Dairy Queen. Call back Dairy Queen. Call back. Why? Okay, dude. Guys, see you later. Bye.